Hello everyone and welcome back. I have this look on my channel from last week. If you missed it, you need to go watch it. Today we're doing a hair tutorial. My hair is all freshly washed. Need to plug in the tools I'm going to be using. Give me a sec. Not very organized today. There is everywhere. Blow dryer, the supersonic. Ay. Sorry. Oh my god. I think we should start this again. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Grab yourself a cup of tea, catch up on my latest videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. So I have freshly washed hair. I use 2 brushes while doing my hair. This is for my fringe and this is for the blow dry. My hair has been drying itself, so it's going to take a little bit quicker than normal to dry, which is fantastic. So the hair is blasted. I am going to use the GHD curve, which I've just turned on. Let that get hot enough and I leave the front bit. I don't worry about that until the very end, like my bangs. So what I do is I just split my hair in half and then I give about, I'm going to say about 6 curls to each side, and that's it, literally. I don't section it off. I just want a nice wave. So I just have the left side. I take about that much hair, open her up and go in and away from the face. So that is the curl you get from it, a nice wave. So curls are done. As I said, about 6 each side. And then what I'm gonna do is grab 1/2 up, make sure my bangs follow, do cute little pigtails, very Hailey Bieber inspired. I wore this a few weeks ago and Chris was like, oh my god, you look adorable, I love your hair like that. So, winning hairstyle. Do my bangs in just a sec. It is a struggle to get that little bobbing around, but there you go. It's so cute. Just run my fingers through my curls to break them up, and then I'm going to take my very old brush. Have to plug my hair dryer back in. So with the nozzle on, the curly brush, and there you go. So cute, like adorable. Used to wear this in my hair when I was 5, but I just think it's the cutest little hairstyle ever. And if you wanted, you could like push them up a little bit more. Very baby spice. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Just a little different than just regular curls. I love how my fringe sits with this look as well. It really stands out from my hair. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.